play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Rena G here with another video. If you are new here, welcome. We would love for you to join the family, but you have to hit that subscribe button. If you're not new and you're a returning viewer, welcome back, babes. It's so good to see you. So it is Monday morning. I am currently in traffic on my way to work. I know I look like a granny, but I don't care, okay? Charleston humidity is not gonna win today, okay? Today is gonna be RAN 1, humidity 0. So yeah, I got my bonnet on until I get to the office, because who want to be walking around with frizzy hair after you just paid to get your hair done? Not me, not me. So if I gotta look crazy for a couple of minutes until I get to work, so be it, so be it. Today I just have a couple of stuff that I want to get done. I really need to go grocery shopping. I placed an order last night on the Walmart app. I'm picking it up today after work, so we'll pick up groceries, put those away. I did set up my bedroom. Y'all seen that in the last video. It looks so good. So we're actually supposed to be getting those pillow covers. No, the pillow inserts. I have the covers. The pillow inserts, I'm supposed to be getting those tomorrow, so we will do that tomorrow. We'll set up the decor pillows tomorrow. I'm really excited about that too. Probably need to cook. I don't know what I'm gonna cook for. I'm not sure what I'm gonna cook for the next couple of days. Like, I normally get on TikTok to get ideas, to get some inspo. Yeah, so I don't know. I would love, wow, it's so dark. There we go. I would love some honey mustard chicken wraps, but I don't want to fry the chicken. Normally I fry the chicken. I don't want to fry the chicken. Maybe I can grill it. Grilled chicken honey mustard wraps. I might can do that. And I think I bought some fries too, so I could do that with fries. We'll see though. But I just wanted to open up the video. I really don't have a plan for this weekly vlog. It's really gonna be like whatever comes up, whatever happens, happens. And y'all are just gonna be along for the ride. So buckle up, buttercup. I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Really get carried away, making mistakes, then you beg me to stay. Got me thinking on you like American tea. You got my mind in a terrible place. Act like you not used to staring. I met the nigga who thought her a place. How would I even Paris is made? Bitch, next time I swear on my grandma. Counting you for the big choices you made. Shining you Hey, this ain't the lyrics I could get on you. Send wires on wires on wires like it just lucky that I don't take back what was given. I could have you on payment plan to your 150. And my star right here, she got some bars for y'all niggas. So I'ma fall back and lessons I told her shit for me. Sliming you out, sliming you out, slime.
Hey y'all, I know I kind of disappeared on y'all, and I am so sorry. I do want y'all to know I did go grocery shopping. Let me show y'all my pantry. It looks so good. Organize the pantry a little bit. So yeah, I did go grocery shopping. I did go grocery shopping. You know, I just didn't record me getting the groceries out, and I apologize for that. I did get my pillow inserts, and we're gonna do that tonight so y'all can see the bed and its full potential. But right now, cooking dinner. Let's see what we got. Oh, here's some noises.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. You, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it, though I'm lying down thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. You, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Yes, of course. I remember, how could I forget how you feel? You know you were my first time, a new feel. It won't ever get old, not in my soul, not in my spirit, keep it alive. We'll go down this road till it turns from color to black and white. But do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever.
All right, y'all, I am about to open up the box. This has the pillow inside. Thought my camera was about to die. It's not. Okay, so I have the 20 by 20. And I also got the 22 by 22. Pop these open real quick. So y'all, I put up my Christmas decor. I did not record it. I did not see a point, seeing as though Christmas is literally, what, next week? I mean, a week and a half. It's like a week and a half away. I will show it to y'all. I'll probably do it tomorrow because it's like, it's dark now. I mean, it's like 9:30. I still need to take a shower. I need to wrap my hair. Oh my gosh, I can't get this out. I still need to pick out what I'm gonna wear tomorrow for work. Dang. does not want me to get my pillows out. I mean, it's literally busting at the seams. I don't want to break a nail. That's really gonna piss me off. If I break a nail over some pillows. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Like, I'm scared to go across here because I don't want to cut the, like, I don't want to cut my pillows. That was too much. Like, I'm almost about to tell y'all not to get these just because of the packaging. Like, I done scared my dog. Chandler done got in the bed. Oh, he back. Now he wants to see what I got. Jesus Christ. So intense, y'all. Like, for real. Okay. Ooh. After just getting that one pillow out, I don't even want to do the other one. This is too much. Alright, instructions. 2 pillow inserts are vacuum sealed in plastic bags. Once open the package, please allow a few hours to get fluffy. A couple hours? We do not have a couple hours. You may tap, squeeze, fold, and press the inserts to help fluff up, or put them in the sun to help the filling expand. I'm gonna put them in the dryer. Dryer, please turn on low dry. Recommend using 2 laundry balls to help the product get fluffy. We'll do that. Perfect. So we'll do that. Because a couple of hours to help this get fluffy. We got a couple minutes. Well, I could take a shower and wrap my hair, and then hopefully by then it will tell you. But I mean, it's already getting fluffy. Low key.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something around my face. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, and getting under my...
Well, that was a little easier than the last one. Jesus. So what I think I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna take a shower, wrap my hair, give them a few minutes to get fluffed up a little bit, and then I'll come back and I'll show y'all the final result. Deal? Deal. All right, y'all. It's a little bit later, and this is the final touch, okay? So we have my satin pillows in the back, my 2 inserts. So the white pillows are the 22 by 22, and then the black velvet are the 20 by 20. I did fold back the black fox fur just because I like how the white makes the pillows pop. And then of course, like if we get cold or whatever the case may be, we could just pull this up. But yeah, I think it came together great. Everything is linked in my Amazon storefront. Now don't get me wrong, I do think the pillows need to fluff up just a little bit more, but it's cute. I'm not gonna lie, I think I could have bought 4 more pillows just to have them like go all the way across, but that may be doing too much. But y'all know I'm extra. But this is cute. So yeah, a win is a win. All right, y'all. So I just took a shower, washed my face. Now I am in the bed, relaxing, catching up on a couple of Vlogmas videos, and I'm gonna go to bed. So I will either see y'all tomorrow or I will see y'all Friday.